PS4 power cable allows you to continue gaming while charging your controllers so you maximize game time. Extra long 10 charging cord provides enough length so you can play comfortably and don't need to be right next to your game console. Hassle-free controller charger wire for PlayStation 4 connects securely into controllers without feeling loose during play. Fast-charging micro-USB charging cord is compatible with Sony PS4. Also works as an Android phone charger for Samsung Galaxy and other micro-USB accessories such as Bluetooth speaker and wireless headphones. Includes 3 TalkWorks tempered glass screen protectors for iPhone, dust removal sticker, cleaning cloth, and alcohol swab.